welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in today. If you're new here, you're welcome. I'm Alheri Ebenezer, YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. So if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel at this point, please click on the subscribe button to be subscribed to my channel. So in today's video, I just came back from the market. Actually, we went to collect my goods of 4 good months, guys. 4 good months. So we're going to do the unboxing and everything. I'll do it on camera for you people to see, so keep on watching, guys. So these are the goods. The big one is 8 kg and this is 2.2 kg. So what I will do is this is my disinfectant spray. So I'll just spray on it like this, just spray on it and allow it to just rest. Okay, so we'll come and unbox it together. I'll do it on camera. So this is it, guys. Make sure you always do this when you collect your parcel from outside. Okay, so hi guys, this is it, guys. My long awaited good has finally arrived. So what I wanted to share with you people is the fact that I'm into mini importation. Yes, at times things in this Nigeria get so expensive, even though at the end of the day I get to pay shipping, which is not cheap. I get to pay money for shipping, but if you calculate everything at the end of the day, it's better at times you import them, especially if you're buying in bulk, shoes or whatsoever. You just buy in bulk. Okay, so these are the things I got. I'll be writing the names of everything. So if you need anything, Lavella microphone, tummy belt, and the rest of the things I'll be listing here, just meet me in my DM on Instagram. I'll keep my Instagram handle in my description box. So keep on watching, guys. Thank you so much. unboxing all the things. Okay, so I'll show you. I'll just do a summary of everything, and then because the camera was far, I'm still using my phone too. The camera was far, and I believe you were not really getting the things I was showing. But now I'm going to do like a summary of everything so you can see. So guys, the first thing I opened was, the first thing on top is my microphone. I bought like 15 pieces. Okay, I ordered for 15 pieces of lavella microphone. This is what it looks like, lavella microphone. So these 15 pieces in here, and then I have this baby care kit, my first baby care set. So I have blue, the 3 sets in blue color, and then I have 2 sets in pink color. And guys, I'll start slimming down. Okay, this is my fashion belt. This is a belt, postpartum belt. I'll try to put a picture of what it looks like, but this a belt, postpartum belt. So I will do a separate review about this. I got 3 of this. Maybe I will sell it, maybe not. So these are ropes. This is burgundy color. I have 2 in ash color. So these 2 ash color and this blue color. And these are baby wraps. These are the clothes used. These are the kind of clothes used in wrapping babies, for photography. So I bought, these are 10 pieces in different colors. And then I have this what do you call it, this is a diaper bag. This is a diaper bag. I will do a review on this separately. So I got, that's black color, this blue color, and this red, this is pink, and this is another blue. Someone wanted one blue color, that's why I have 2 blue colors, so I'll give it to her later on. So these are my, what do we call it, my bra. Yes, my nursing bras. So I think I'll do a review on this one too when I'm doing the belt. So I have 3 in large and 3 in medium. So 3 large, 3 medium. And finally, this shoe. This cute shoe. Let me even show you guys. This is the shoe. How do you see this, guys? How do you see this? This is beautiful. So I just ordered for 2 pieces because even from there it's still expensive. Okay, so I ordered for 2 pieces. I'm going to dash somebody one of it. So this is the first carton and this is the second carton. I don't even know which one is bigger. I think this is bigger, so this is my own and this is the one I'm giving out. So thank you guys. These are everything. I just poured everything everywhere. So thank you so much guys for watching today's video. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, okay? Be part of the family, okay? Leave a comment down below. Click on the bell icon for notification anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much guys. See you in my next one. Bye for now.